Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Vashan Brown. 8,000 new hotel rooms, a tourism supply logistics hub, and entertainment training. Well, those are some of the plans outlined by the tourism minister in his sectoral debate presentation. Details in this report.
$2.3 billion in losses in 2020, losses of $1.6 billion in 2021. But for Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett, 2022 should be the post-COVID-19 recovery year for the sector. He says arrivals and stopovers are improving.
This should see, Madam Speaker, the closing of the first 4 months, which is our traditional tourist season, with 925,000 stopover arrivals and crews, and for the country to earn $1.17 billion within that period.
He also highlighted plans to further boost Jamaica's offerings, among them providing tourism products to the world.
And I'm proposing, and have in fact established a team headed by Wilfred Bagaloo to study and look at the establishment of a tourism supplies logistics hub to be positioned in the free zones of Jamaica to enable production for our local market as well as the international market.
Additionally, Mr. Bartlett says several new flights have been confirmed, including from Canada's west coast, the United States, and Curacao. To match that, over 8,000 more hotel rooms are to be constructed in several North Coast parishes.
We have the new Secrets Resort for Richmond in St. Anne with 700 rooms and 280 rooms, also Secrets Dreams, as it is called, in Montego Bay. Bahia Principe to have expansion, and a number of others, a total of some 8,500 new rooms to come on board within the next 5 years.
Additionally, $50 million will be invested into an entertainment training academy at the Montego Bay Convention Center in St. James. This, he says, will be specific to the tourist demand for authentic Jamaican experiences.
Wisynco Group has informed the shareholders that it suffered minimal losses from last Friday's fire at its main plant in Lake Spence, Spanish Town, St. Catherine. In a statement to the Jamaica Stock Exchange today, Wisynco said the fire did not disrupt operations. Preliminary investigations revealed that the fire was caused by scrap wooden pallets which ignited. 5 fire trucks and 30 firemen responded and were able to access Wisynco's fire suppression system, which comprises of a 275,000-gallon tank. The JC Index advanced by 1,249 points today, while the Junior Market Index declined by 28 points. Among the winners were Phosrich, JMMB Group, T-Tech, JMMB Group 7.25% preference shares, and Iron Rock Insurance. While on the losing side were Cygnus Real Estate Finance US dollar shares, Kelly Group, Stationery and Office Supplies, Lasco Manufacturing, and Caribbean Cream. $154.56 is the average selling rate for the US currency. $124.95 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar, while $202.04 for the pound and $173.40 for the euro. And that's the Business Day. I'm Vashan Brown. Have a good evening.